This is not my car. This is my girlfriend's car, and it is the brand new Toyota Yaris 2021. Well, actually, from this angle, it looks like a Lexus, right? And it is 8 in the morning. What the hell am I doing early in the morning like this? Well, I am doing what every man should, which is cleaning their partner's car. And she just gotten a car. I think of, since the car is brand new, how about I go the extra mile and do the polishing and waxing as well, to at least give a little protection to this brand new little white car. And from previous experience, it's gonna take me a day lah, at least, you know, the curing time and all that. Let's go! Just a quick glimpse of how the car looks like before we begin. Let me tell you, just after a few days of use and after rain, the car looks like it has been used for a month. Walao eh. So this is basically what I'm going to do throughout the whole car. I'm not going to show you guys, every single panel that I'm going to do. Is basically the same thing. And while I'm waiting for this to cure, it needs time to cure, right? And I'm shedding blood, sweat and tears, as you guys can see. Even though I may not be the one that using it on a daily, but then I feel it's worth it. Wanna see the difference between the treated and untreated one? This is coated. This is uncoated. See the difference? Now that the coating is done, now the side mirrors. What I'm gonna do with it, let me show you. I'm gonna be applying this. This is specially made for only the side mirrors. First, of course, you shake, but this is additional. I'll just put this for protection purposes, and you just spray. Done. Do not touch it. Let it dry for, I don't know, 24 hours. So you can see that there's like a foggy thing all around it. It's drying up. Let me just put a finger there. You can see it's moving actually. Yes. As this dries up, do not touch it, and it will be super water repellent like nobody's business. Water will not stick on this thing. So yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to do an outro for my video. So why do I actually decide to do a major cleaning job for my girlfriend's car? Well, here's the thing. I would want to treat this video like a reminder to myself and to everyone else that 2020 may be a shit year for you, for me, everyone that's affected. So don't let that negative emotion affect you in a new year. A new year, a brand new start, so they say. And that's why I want to do a cleaning job for her, a clean car, a clean year, start the new year fresh. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank you, all my viewers, all my subscribers that actually watch my videos. Without you guys, siapa lah aku, kan? And that's all for now. Remember, be good, do good to others. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy New Year. Bye. Wanna see?